Welcome to Mobiezy. This video guides you on how you can manage reports or how you can view reports. Once you log into your cable network solutions, on the home page, click on menu and click on reports. So what type of report you want? You want collection reports or customer report or unpaid report? So let's go with collection report to start with. On which area you want to find the collection report? I will say BTM third phase, and if there is any particular area or agent which you will have to select, you can select one of the agent. And what is the bill type? Is it fully paid or partially paid? What is the date range? You want it for today or yesterday or last 5 days or last 1 month or custom? Custom, you can select the date manually. I can say 1 from August to date, or I can say this month and click on search. So depending on the data what I have, I will get all the results in the collection report. Now the collection summary tells you what is the number of full paid or full amount which is collected or partial amount which is collected, or how much advance is collected. Advance is nothing but like a prepaid system. And bills, similarly you can find the status of bills as well. Now agent wise summary for this particular agent, how many what is the collection amount which the particular agent has done. You can find it in the collection report under agent wise summary. Now area wise summary, under different areas, what is the collection which has happened, you can track it here. And now let's see how you can get the customer report. So what type of report you want for the customer? So now I'll select the area and I click on search. So if I have any area in this particular area, if I have any customers, I will get all the details. Okay, so these are the customers who are there in this particular area. So now I'll say for Mr. Gopal Krishna, if I want to download invoice, I can download it here, or if I want to collect any advance or view collections, or if I want to add any charges, or if I want to give him any rebate or give him some if I have to give him back some amount, I can click on add reversal. So now let's download the invoice. Let's see how it does. So for Gopal Krishna, the invoice is downloaded, and this is how the invoice looks like. If you need any further assistance, please contact our support team. Thank you.